Welcome to Choptober, the series where, for every day of October, I tell Chops a scary fact. Chops, are you ready? Let's begin. In 1977, an astronomer named Jerry Amon was scanning the skies with a radio telescope in Ohio, listening for signals from space as part of the SETI project. Then, for exactly 72 seconds, his instruments picked up a massive radio signal, way stronger than anything they'd ever seen coming from space. He was so shocked by the signal's strength and clarity that he circled it on the data printout and wrote "Wow" in red pen, and that's how it got its name. The signal came from deep space near the constellation Sagittarius and not from any known satellite or Earth-based source. And then it just stopped. In all the decades since, no one has ever detected it again, despite many attempts to scan the same area of the sky. As exciting as the signal was, the lack of repeat detection and the absence of any patterns make it very unlikely to be an intelligent message. A recent explanation for the wow signal suggests it may have actually come from a rare cosmic event involving a magnetar that emitted a burst of energy which then hit a nearby cloud of hydrogen gas in space. When the flare's radiation struck the hydrogen atoms in just the right way, it could have caused them to emit a very strong, focused radio signal. If the magnetar flare, the hydrogen cloud, and the Earth-based telescope were all perfectly aligned for just a brief moment, the Big Ear telescope in 1977 could have picked up that signal. But once the flare ended, or the alignment changed, the signal vanished, explaining why we only ever heard it once. But of course, this is just a theory, and who knows, maybe it was an intelligent message from some other spacefaring civilization.